Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add MACD indicator on TradingView. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular momentum indicator that helps you see when a trend may be strengthening, weakening, or getting ready to reverse. In simple terms, it measures the relationship between two moving averages, giving you a clearer sense of momentum behind price movements. It's a great companion to your price chart, especially if you want confirmation before entering or exiting a trade, and adding it in TradingView is quick and simple. Start on your chart in TradingView. Make sure you're on the asset and time frame you actually want to analyze, whether that's crypto, stocks, forex, or indices. At the top left of the chart area, you'll see the Indicators button. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, as well as the vast library of community scripts created by other traders. Go ahead and open that Indicators panel. Once the panel is open, use the search bar to find what you need. Type MACD into the search field. TradingView will show you the official built-in MACD, along with a number of community-created versions. The built-in option is the standard, widely used version you'll see in many tutorials and textbooks, which makes it a great starting point if you're new. The community versions often include creative tweaks, visual enhancements, or extra calculations like alerts or modified settings. If you're exploring a community script, it's worth skimming the description and noticing how many people have favorited or commented on it to ensure it aligns with your style and trading approach. Now select the MCD you want. Click on the default built-in EMCD or choose a community-created one that matches your preference. As soon as you click, the indicator will immediately appear on your chart. There's nothing else you need to do to load it. If needed, you can always adjust the settings later, such as the fast, slow, or signal periods, but the default settings work well for most beginners. The MACD typically shows up in a separate pane below your price chart, displaying two lines, the MACD line and the signal line, along with a histogram that helps you quickly see when momentum is increasing or decreasing. The histogram expands and contracts based on the distance between those two lines, giving you a visual sense of acceleration or slowdown in price movement. You'll notice that the MACD gives you a visual way to spot potential crossovers and divergences, which many traders use as early clues for entries or exits. For example, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, some traders see that as bullish momentum building. Even if you're brand new to it, just recognizing when the MACD line crosses above or below the signal line can help you get a feel for momentum shifts and start building confidence in reading charts. And there you go. Your MACD is now on the chart and ready to help you interpret market momentum at a glance. Keep your workspace focused by sticking to the version that's easiest for you to read and compare over time. Consistency matters, especially when you're learning, because it helps you recognize patterns faster. As you grow more comfortable, you can explore different MACD styles and see which presentation fits your workflow, whether that's cleaner visuals, stronger color contrast, or additional features. That's all for adding the MACD to TradingView. Thanks for watching, and enjoy analyzing your charts with this powerful momentum tool.